Welcome back on the channel. So today we're back with a new video, and in today's video we're back with a new app, a VPN app. This app is already on Google Play Store. The app will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome viewers and subscribers of this channel that you are highly welcomed. And in today's video, the app we're gonna share with you, it's on Google Play Store. Simply head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And when you reach on Google Play Store, you tap on the search bar, and in the search bar you search for 90net VPN. 90net VPN. So this app is already available on Google Play Store, so make sure to grab it very fast. So among the presented, you pick this one, 90net VPN. Take note of the app name, app icon, and make sure to install the right app. And before using this VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions and make sure to follow them. Also make sure to read your country local laws regarding VPN usage. Make sure to adhere with them. Please also you read your ISP terms and conditions regarding the VPN usage in your country and make sure to follow them. So after doing that, open this app to set it up, and when you open the app, it will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. And when you reach on the app home screen, you're required to update this app and do more settings with this app. So first of all, you trace the three lines in the upper corner, and from here you can pick update, like online update. And when you tap on online update, you give this app a few seconds for it to update to the latest version. By doing so, this app will update its resources and it will provide you with the latest configured settings ready to secure your connection. After that, you're required to pick a server. Where you see auto server, you just tap there, and you can pick from any of the presented servers. And in this video we're gonna pick auto server. This is because auto server will help us to pick the best performing server in our location. So the other setting is you required to pick a connection method. So for today's guide, we're gonna pick, so you tap right here and we're gonna pick our country name. So you can come in the search bar. For example, if you are from Egypt, you search for that and respectively search your country name. So for today's guide, let's pick this one, Egypt. And this is because this setting support UDP, as you can see right here, and UDP is working for all countries which support UDP. So UDP is fast and secure, so I recommend you to pick UDP, this country of Egypt, which supports UDP. You can see here, right here, they also included that all other countries UDP. So it means that in case your country supports UDP, the option will definitely work for you in your country. And if it doesn't, please you pick your country name and you try to connect. So the other setting is you required to add on time. Where you see time left, simply tap on this button, and when you tap on this button, you'll be able to add on the connection time when you are using this app. And if the app runs out of time, it will stop working definitely. So make sure to utilize this button and you'll be able to secure your connection for a long session. And lastly, to ensure the fast and secure connection, you're required to tap on this start button. And when you tap on the start button, you give this app a few seconds for it to connect. Within a few seconds, you will see that the app will be connected and your connection will be secured. So that's how we set up Net VPN with all countries UDP settings to get a fast and secure connection, extra protection when you are online.